Hey there, recruiters and HR managers. Need to reject a candidate for a certain job post? Let's see how to do it with a few clicks on Easy Jobs. First, sign into your company profile on Easy Jobs. From the dashboard, navigate to the job tabs in the left side panel. Next, select a job opening from the list and click on the Candidates button. From the candidate list, click on the one you want to reject. You will find a drop-down under the candidate's profile picture in the next window. Select Rejected from the drop-down. Set a reject date. Then, enter the reject reasons. Check the rejection email preview that will be sent. You may also add an attachment with the rejection letter. Once you are done, click on the Reject button at the bottom. That's it. This is how easily you can reject any candidate from any job post on Easy Jobs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Happy hiring!